Hello and welcome to this video demo of my gig. If you're looking to start your own business and make money online using AI, I'm here to help you build your own AI content generator platform with a subscription module so you can charge your customers on a monthly or yearly basis. Here's a quick demo of how the platform looks like. This is the landing page of the platform where your customers can see the platform features, your pricing, plan, and also they can contact you. There is our dashboard. Here are all content generating tools are present. So let's say you want to generate any short form content like social media post description. Let us generate Facebook post and save it so you can easily download it in future at any time. And there is our account setting page of user information. And also there is our subscription page showing all plans. And subscription details shown in sidebar for all. And we can also able to generate long form content as well with multiple chapters. So as you can see, it's exactly like Copy.ai, JSper and Writer. These are the new trending platforms that everybody is looking to build. Thanks for watching and I hope we talk soon.